Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. This was a month review, negative month of January. Learned a lot of lessons. This was the first month back at live account, so yeah, man. Enjoy the video. Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another month review. The month of January. This was the first ever month on live account, as you guys know. So yeah, it was a red month. As I said in the last few videos, it's probably gonna be a red month, but we learned a lot, and the loss is very acceptable. I'm only down like 6% from my initial account size, so that's not that bad. It's not that big of a deal, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, man. Let's just get right into it, man. I'm gonna make a week review as well. I have it right here. This week review. It was a no week review, but I'm gonna go through it anyway. So let's first go through month review. So this was the first month live. I'm down 6.04% of my initial account size. 4 trading weeks, 19 trading days, 7 trades taken, 0 winning trades, 7 losing trades, 0% win rate. It says I'm down 26.2%, but that's like when I take a trade. For example, let's say I take this trade right here. Uh, I use when I take in PNL, I use this, but that's not 10% from my account size, you know. So yeah, I hope you understand. So negative 26.2%, or it's actually not this. It's 389. And my average win, it's yeah, average loss was 3.7%, which is good. Rule adherence trend was improving, especially in week 4. And the emotional control trend was a stable 8 out of 10, and daily performance average was a 7.4 out of 10. So the observation of this month was that no winning trades this month, but losses were contained and pre-risked, demonstrating behavioral edge and capital preservation. The rule adherence improved from week to week, peaking at 100% in week 4. Emotional control remained solid, preventing revenge trading and catastrophic risk escalation. And here's just the performance week by week. Week 1, I was down 256 kroner. Uh, 1 trade taken, 0% win rate. Rule adherence was a 4 out of 5. Emotional control was an 8.4. Notes was a single precision failure. No behavioral damage. Week 2 was down 11.4% or 722 kroner. 3 trades taken, 0% win rate. Rule adherence was 4 out of 5 again. Emotional control was 8. And notes was second trade rule violation caused extra drawdown. Week 3 was minus 10.4% or 466 kroner. Down 3, took 3 trades, 0% win rate. Rule adherence was 2 out of 4, so that was a bad week. Emotional control was a 7.4. Entry standard slipped under pressure hesitation. And week 4 was 0%, no trade week. Rule adherence was 5 out of 5. Emotional control was 8.2. Notes were flat week, perfect discipline, edge preserved. So yeah, the observation I can get from this is the total drawdown concentrated in week 2 to 3. Week 4 demonstrates growing trust in selectivity and flat day discipline. There was no large emotional spikes, and all losses were mechanically acceptable, showing behavioral control is stronger than last month. And number three is behavioral and execution summary. My strengths were emotional control average was 8 out of 10, which shows that losses were handled cleanly. I have good flat day discipline. I correctly identified and respected low opportunity days. This month has almost around 40% flat days. And loss management, all trades cut within planned risk, no tilt or revenge trading. The process focus was journaling and post-trade reflection consistently applied. And then I'm going to go over weaks and risk weaknesses and risk vectors. Number one weakness is that precision failures. I'm entering trades that barely meet criteria from week 1 to week 3. I have execution hesitation, skipping A plus trades due to fear after losses. That was in week 3. And boundary leakage, second trades after valid losses. That was that I took one revenge trade this month, and that was on week 2. So, emerging pattern. Discipline is now stable under inactivity since I took a no trade week last week. Errors are mechanical, not emotional, which is a higher level growth stage than last month. So my primary challenge is trusting the system under pressure, not controlling emotions. So this is like comparative metrics from month to month. Last month I was on paper trading, and yeah, this is my in December, and January was first month live account. So this was December. Trading days was 18. This month had 19. The notes were similar. Uh, Trades taken was 14 last month and 7 this month. It was lower due to more flat days and no trade days. Win rate was 28.6% last month, and this month was 0. No winning trades, but losses contained. My net P&L last month was plus 8.2%, and this month was negative 26.2%. That was market plus live transition impact. Uh, Average loss last month was 3.2%, and this month was 3.7%. It was controlled and similar risk per trade. Rule adherence was improving both months. Week 4 was 5 out of 5 days, which is good. Emotional control is improving, and this was stable at around 8. No tilt despite drawdowns. Behavior quality last month was mixed, and this is going from mixed into strong. Week 4 was peak performance. So the observation I can get from this was month 2 is a transition from demo to live trading in extremely difficult market conditions. The focus shifted from outcome orientated P&L to process fidelity and psychological stabilization. Behavioral consistency improved. Risk management remained strong despite the drawdown. Number 5. Lessons learned this month. Number 1. Discipline under inactivity is as critical as discipline under opportunity. This is super important. Number 2 is that precision is now the limiting factor, not emotional control. And number 3 is flat days are profitable in terms of capital preservation and psychological reinforcement. Basically saying a flat day is also a green day, basically. So don't be mad that you didn't take a trade or something like that, because it's still profitable if you stick within your rules. So number 6, next month focus. Primary objective is to convert stable psychology into reliable execution trust under pressure. My top 3 priorities is gonna be number 1, pre-entry checklist enforcement. Ensure only true A plus trades are taken, verbal or written confirmation of criteria before each trade. Number 1 trade per day boundary enforcement. Absolutely no second trades, even with a small size. So I need to add a tag journal. I will tag my journal entries with day closed, yes or no. So yeah. And number three is edge preservation under volatility. I will need to allow winners to run fully and do not cap them prematurely. Keep a flat day discipline, uh, even when markets feel active. So it's basically just being able to keep that edge preservation and keep that discipline of taking flat days. So success metrics for next month. This is basically what I need to achieve next month for it to be a successful month. I need my 90% of trades to be true A plus setups. I want zero mechanical or boundary violations. I will maintain average loss from around 3 to 4% per trade, and capital preservation during low opportunity conditions. Allow at least one expressed above 10% winner. So yeah. Number seven is the final assessment. Month one P&L of the year was down 6.04% of the account size, or down 1,389 kroner, is expected given transition to live and bad market conditions. Key wins is behavioral edge is proven and losses are controlled, psychological stability maintained, and my key improvement area is execution precision and boundary enforcement under pressure. So the bottom line this month was a behavioral success, not a P&L success. The foundation for consistent live trading is now in place. So yeah, guys, January was very good in the sense that I learned a lot and I am much more confident in my trading. I am confident that I will make uh, February a much better month, and I will keep sticking to my rules, and I have a lot of hope for February. This is just the first month of the year, first month on live account, so let's just see how it goes, guys. But that was pretty much it, guys. I need to make the week review, so peace out.